Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to run VesselExpress. VesselExpress runs on any operating system and only requires Docker to be installed on your system. We have linked another tutorial in the descriptions below on how to install Docker on Windows. So if you've already installed Docker, you're good to go and can follow along this tutorial to run VesselExpress via the web interface. First of all, you need to start Docker Desktop and then open the command line. You can search for the applications in Windows Explorer. Then type this command in the terminal to start a Docker container. You can copy the command from the descriptions below. If you do this the first time, it might take a few minutes because the Docker image is downloaded from Docker Hub. As soon as you see the prompt with running, the process is finished and you can start using the web interface. For this demonstration, we'll be using Microsoft Edge, but you can use any other modern browser like Firefox or Google Chrome as well. In your web browser, navigate to localhost :5000. We've also provided this address in the descriptions below so you can copy it. Now you can see the main interface of VesselExpress. On the left, you see several parameters which can be adjusted. Normally, the default settings should work fine. You just may want to adjust the general parameters at the top. Here you can select whether to process 2D or 3D images. As you can see, you can always hover over the parameters to get more detailed information. Here you can also enable the preview feature. This will generate previews of the rendered skeletonized and binarized vasculature. In this case, we'll enable this to show you all features of the software, but you should be aware that this will require more processing time. So if you're only interested in the numerical data, it makes sense to disable this. Then you should set the pixel dimensions in microns. For more information on the parameter settings, click More Information. One other parameter we'll be adjusting here is the gamma parameter of the fringe filter, which is used for segmentation. 500 is a good default parameter. If your data is noisy, you can even set a lower value. Otherwise, set a higher value if your image is very noisy. After you've made your changes, click on Apply Configurations. Then you can simply drag and drop your files which you want to process into the browser. VesselExpress supports most image file formats, as you can see in the description box at the top. You can upload multiple images, they will then be processed in parallel. You only need to make sure that the files are single-channel grayscale images. Here we are uploading an image of our example data from the mouse brain, which we have linked here on our website, as well as other useful links like the GitHub repository. After you've uploaded your data, you can click Run Pipeline to start the analysis. Now VesselExpress will process all data fully automatically. You can view the process in the right panel or just grab a coffee in the meantime. As soon as you see the prompt 100% done, in the right panel, VesselExpress is done with processing all your files. If you've enabled the previews feature, you will also see the processed files in the lower panel. Click on the file names to view the previews. The previews will be shown in a new tab in your browser. You can use the mouse and drag and pan to view the model from different angles. You can also use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. The skeletonization is colored in blue and the segmentation is colored in red. After running VesselExpress, you have the option to download all results, including model and image files of the skeletonized and binarized vasculature, or you can just download the quantitative data, which includes key measures such as vessel length and volume. Here we will download all results. This might take some time. In your download folder, you'll find the results in a zip folder. First, unzip the data. You'll find a folder for each image containing the binarized and skeletonized vasculature in several file formats and a folder containing the key measures. For each key measure, a CSV file is generated, which can be opened in Microsoft Excel. Here we'll open the segment lengths file as an example. As you can see, the file contains a row for each segment, including the length and the image coordinates of the segments. Now you can use this for further analysis. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope this video is helpful for you and you'll benefit from VesselExpress as an analysis tool for your microscopic images. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us via mail or leave a comment below.